Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be giving a little tutorial and on one of the best trading platforms for stocks, local trading platforms, I must say. Right. So this one is called Jtraderpro. Right. So Jtraderpro, you can use it to buy and sell stocks in real time, and so that's one of the best features of actually using this platform. Now, in order for us to find this platform, simple. You will go to Jamaica Stock Exchange site. You can just type in JSE into the Google search and it will bring up Jamaica Stock Exchange. So once you go to the page, you will be greeted with different tabs, different information. So as you can see here, it is showing the market has closed. Market normally opens between 9, close at about 1. So once that happens, you will no longer be able to see the active stocks being traded. So once you get there, you can go in the search bar here and you type in Jtraderpro. Right? So it will bring you to the Jtraderpro. You click on it here, and then it will show you, gives a little details about the brokers who are actually a part of this platform, because not all brokers are a part of this platform. One of them, named the JMB, they use their own platform called the JMB Moneyline, and in another video I'll be showing you how to actually use that platform as well to buy and sell stocks. Now, once you go here, you'll need to go and register. So you click here. Right now, you're gonna see this come up for me because I am actually already registered. But for new persons, you click sign up online here. Now, I actually went ahead and started to sign up, so I'm just going to show you guys the details. So for here, you'll see it asks you for some pertinent information. So title, first name, last name, email address, and you need to confirm the email. Then you're going to click continue. It's going to ask you for your permanent address. Here, your mailing address. You can click here if it is the same as your permanent address. Ask you for your phone number and your tax information. So your tax registration number, you just click there and you put in your TRN, your date of birth as well, and then you click continue. Here you need to provide a username and password. Password needs to be at least 8 characters long with a number and a special character included. Right down here, you'll be asked to create 3 security questions. You can create these however you like. Ensure that you remember these security questions though, guys, because for each login that you do, you're required to answer one of these security questions at random. Okay, once you go there, you click continue. Ask you to review the information that you have just added, and then once you do that, you click here to agree that information is true and accurate, and then you click here. This is just an agreement, terms and conditions, and once you read that, you click agree and submit. Now for me, I already have an account. So once you click agree and submit, it will basically give you a login via your email. Click on the link, and that link will then take you to your login page. Now your login page, you need to put in your username and password. You click continue. As I said, it's going to ask you a security question. Now the security question, if you get them, you have three chances to put in these security questions. After that, your account will be locked, and you'll have to call the JSE to get it unlocked again. All right. There's supposed to be a feature soon where you wouldn't need to call them. You'll have an option embedded into the platform that gives you the ability to open your own open the account if it is locked. So there you see. Once it is clear, you will see your account overview. Now I'm going to be giving you a little synopsis of what each of these tabs represent. So the first one, as you can see here, is account overview. So the account overview will basically be showing you your account name, which is my name, account number, your brokerage number, the available balance that you have in Jtraderpro, whether it be Jamaican or USD, and this will show you your status if it's approved. Before I go any further, let me tell you, when you create an account, by the way, when you create your account and you open your account, and you are logging, you're going to see something here marked pending accounts. Now, if you see marked pending account, you will have to link your brokerage account to your Jtraderpro platform account, right? If you see it say pending, what you will have to do, you will have to then call your brokerage account. Once you call your brokerage account, they should give you some form of document. For mine was NCB Cap Market, so I was given a document to sign, which basically give them agree to give Jtraderpro access to like fund it, put money on the platform, and also give the go ahead from your broker to actually allow these transactions between your broker and the Jtrader platform, right? So moving along, as I said, when you go on details, it will basically be showing you the details of your account, show you what your current balance is, account name, the holder, if it's approved or not, and it show you who your brokerage is. You can adjust that if you have any issues with that. Right. So also, when you go here, it will show your active orders. Now, active orders are basically if you have any orders, whether buying or selling, it will show up here, right? Here you will see your account number, your status, action, symbols, quantity, price, order date, details. So your account number is your brokerage number, the status of the order, which will either it is queued, so it is queued, or is it filled, or it's cancelled, whatever it be. The action will either be a buy or sell. Symbol represent which company you decide you are going to buy or sell your stocks in. The quantity, so this is the amount of stocks you plan to buy or sell. The price of which you plan to either buy or sell at. The order date, which is the date in which you made the order, and then when you go details, it will show you the details of those orders, right? Down here, you're going to see where you see pending fund requests. This is when you want to fund in or fund out. I'll be going into more details shortly, but account name here, account number, to show you the status of your funding or fund out, so whether it's pending or approved, type and the amount requested and the date that it was requested. Okay, next, so here we're going to be talking a little more in depth about the funding and fund down method. So for the funding, you're going to be seeing funding fund out option. So funding is when you want to send funds from your brokerage account to your Jtrader account, or vice versa when it comes on to fund out. So fund out, when after you buy a stock, or sorry, you sell a stock, the amount that you have in the account now, you're able to send it back to your brokerage account. Okay, so here it will tell you to select your JCSD account, the currency that it's in. It will show you the available balance on the Jtraderpro platform. So this is the amount I have in my on the platform for myself. Personally, for me, I don't normally keep money on my Jtrader account. I believe money should be working, so money should not be sitting in the account unless you have some serious plans to, maybe you're just looking for stocks, and maybe you just want to have it there, and wait until you have additional funds to buy a particular stocks. But for me personally, I normally make my money work, right? The reason why I actually have this in there is because I did some transaction today, and this was the balance after those transactions were done. So here it will show you the amount that you're requesting from your brokerage account, and this gives this an option where you want, if you want to give an instruction to your broker what you want them to do, you will then so let's say I want $6,000 from my account. I put it there. I go to, then it bring you to the confirm request. So it will show you to ensure that everything that you're asking for is correct, and then you go confirm. I'm not asking for anything, so the confirm information will just show you all the details that was done. Next, it will show you about add JCSD account. Now in this case, it is a case where when you're just creating this account, you get this option. So you add a JCSD account, or you can add another JCSD account. So it will show you here JCSD account number, the account name, who is the primary account holder, the broker, the amount request for trading, currency, and all of that. So this is what will then will be sent and will be then pending for you to start trading on the account. Okay, so you have to have a JCSD account in order for you to actually get access to use this platform. All right, next it will show you, we go to trade, and then we will show place order. So now in place order, you will see this is where you will place order to buy or sell stocks. So here you choose your account again. It will show the available balance. You have the action to whether you want to buy or sell a stock. If you want to buy, obviously it will, you will have to choose, the amount that you want to purchase. That had to be within this available balance, right? You can put the symbol. So the symbol is what each company represents on the stock market. So this will be the symbol of those stock market. So here it will, right, so it will show the symbols here. So these symbols, for example, this is Burjo 138 Student Living, RGR, Purity, First Rock, Trans Jamaica. So you'll put in these. So let's say I want some of Burjo, so I just say BRG. It will show me Burjo. It will show me the order type. So the order type, so you have order types. You have limits, markets, all or none, fill or kill, fill and kill. So these give the different options. So if you go and say limit, you can then put a limit to the price of what you want the order to be at. So here, so as you can see, it shows you here. So here, so it's a buying limit, so the amount that you want to buy or sell at. Fill or kill, so it will show you here. The complete order quantity must be filled as soon as the order is entered on the market, otherwise order is withdrawn. Right, so this is basically an immediate thing. And here it says fill any amount as ordered as soon as order is entered, and then order is withdrawn. So this, so here it gives you the different options. So this is all or none, meaning that normally you can buy in the market, you can persons, let's say you put a certain amount that you want to sell or buy. Person might sell, you might have a certain amount of person want to sell your stock. So you can have multiple person buy, sell or buy stocks from you. That's the option. But here, if you said all or none, so it's either they are going to give you everything or nothing, right? So here you will put the amount of shares that you want to buy or sell, the price that you want to buy or sell at, and expert type. So it can be good till date, which you give a specific date, good till day, which is the end of day in which you're trading at, or good till cancel. So this is until you cancel the order, right? Here it will show you, so for example, I want Virgil, it show you the best bid, so that's the amount that someone is want to buy it at. This is what somebody want to sell at. This is the best price they want to sell at. Best the amount. This is the amount that they want to sell. Right. Show you the previous asking, previous bid. Show you the range, what today the trading for today is, and the reference price. And show the market movement, whether it be upward or downward movement. Right. So today it's a downward movement. Once you do that and review the request, then the request is you can confirm the order, and then it shows the transaction results from there. I won't be buying anything, so here now you'll see it said view orders, so you can choose to view your orders within a specific time. So for me, you'll see some of my orders here. So these two were done today. Bought and sell, so I bought some of Trans and I sell some of Sagicor Select MD, and this was the price I bought and sell at. Also this was from these were previous transactions, but so this is one of the cases where I'm telling you, right, so here you'll see this one was expired. I give it to a specific time. This one was cancelled. I cancel this one here, right? So here you can choose, all the status that you want. This is basically what you want to view: cancel, expired, fill, partial fill, whichever one, whatever your choice is here. Okay. So price watch alerts. So price watch alerts basically let you create alerts for specific stocks at what price you want to be alerted at. So suppose you're viewing a stock and you want it to alert you when a stock is at a price. When it reaches that specific price that you want, it will send you an alert, tell you that okay, the price is at such and such, and you can choose if it's a buyer or sell situation. You decide that. So for me, I had GMMB at the target price is 47, which is a 10% increase, and the status is active for me, right? So when it reach up to that point, then it will give me an alert to say okay, the price is at that point. Now in markets where you'll see all the markets, market index, it shows the main and the junior market. So here it is on the main market. Now that's what you're seeing here. As you can see, it is closed because market is already closed for the day. When it is open, you'll see open here. So it will show the symbols again that represent the companies, the best bid quantity, so what the amount that they want to buy, the price that they want to buy at, price, the best ask price here is what they're asking for and the amount that they want to sell. And this is the opening, the price of the opening price of the actual stock itself, and what was the last trading, right, and what the change was, and whether it would be an upward movement or downward movement, the amount that was traded for the day, and the highest or the lowest amount it was traded at, and total, right? And that's so here you can choose whether it be main market you want to see, junior market, USD, or the bond market. You choose. So here you'll see you've gone to now the junior market, and you can choose one of these stocks. You can look at them and it will show you what the movement is, show you within a certain specific time with what it was, and you can look whether it be a 1 month target, a 3 months, 6 months, year to date, whatever you want to look at for that specific stock, and you look at the movement of that stock. Okay, next we're going to go to messages, which, if you get any message from the Jamaica Stock Exchange, you will see the messages pop up here. I have none. And finally, you have settings. So here you can choose to edit. You can choose to edit or change your security questions, or edit or change your password, whatever you choose. So yes, guys, that is basically the Jtraderpro platform in a nutshell. Hope you guys get some insight and information on this. It's a very good platform, I must say. I recently started using it about 2 months ago, and I must say it's very good to use. One of the greatest thing about this particular stock is when you go here and you go here, it will actually show you. So here it will show you the most recent stock change, and this is actually real time. So it will show you this is the last trading for that day within the last amount that was traded, and you can refresh here and it will show you the latest ones. Okay, and also the market is the same thing, real time. So you'll see the real time movements in the markets right here. Okay, guys, so that is basically it for this platform. As I said, in a follow-up video, I'll be doing a tutorial on the JMMB Moneyline platform, and I'll be showing you guys how that one is used, maybe give a little comparison between this platform and the JMMB Moneyline platform. Right, I use both depending on what I want to do. So yes, guys, so that is it. Hope you find value in this video, and if you do, I would like you to comment in the comment section, like, share, subscribe, and hope to see you guys in another one. Pricey details. Peace.